Okay, we are testing out our new prototype superior paper airplanes designed solely by us. We didn't use the internet whatsoever. This is the general construction. Made out of one piece of 8.5 by 11. It's like fucking flying origami. It's amazing. And it flies perfectly. Fucking beautiful. We're about to launch it. Out there. Okay, you want to go first? First of all, there's the castle and the Alps, which ideally they're going to fly towards. And there's a bunch of our old planes. Okay, call it.
1, 2, 3, go.
Nice. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that is by far the best plane ever. Holy shit. And it lands on the roof.